Hello, Weekend Crafter! Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend, I just wanted to unbox with you some new supplies that I got for Polymer Clay. But if you haven't yet, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. So let's begin. So the first one is a clay press machine from Keoker. I got this as a gift from my husband during Valentine's Day. Let's unbox this together. It's the first time that I got a brand new machine as a gift, and this is how it looks like. So this was really made specifically for Polymer Clay. I don't know yet the difference between the pasta rollers that I've had before, and it has, of course, this attachment that helps you to roll the clay. And I guess this other one is for this one. It's so that you can attach this to the table. I don't know how to show it like that. You can attach the machine so that it's more stable. Of course, it comes in a very cute color. It's steel, and the ones that I had before were all just stainless steel. So I'm sure that you will see this in my future videos as I use it. Okay, and if any one of you has the same machine, can you comment down below how it's performed so far? I want to know your opinion on it. Next is another very exciting package. This one came from Sculpey. And let's unbox this together. Okay, so it has a description of what I'm getting. So it seems like it's all the new colors that are about to launch this March 11th. So let's start with I'll organize the colors first. So they gave me 5 colors of Sculpey 3, 4 colors of Primo, and 3 colors of Sculpey. So let us read each one. By the way, I'm very excited because these are all new colors, and I can imagine already doing a lot of slabs and a lot of projects with this. So this is redwood, and the description reads, this deep red color will add a touch of drama to any creation. So it's a very deep red thing. Next is aqua. Brighten your project with a burst of vibrant, playful color. These are the descriptions on the sheet that they gave me. Next is coral. Inject lively, fresh energy into your design with this bold color choice. I think this would be good for spring. Arctic blue. This icy blue color will add a touch of sophistication to any project. And lastly, plum. Another rich color. Transform any design with the luxurious depth of this rich color. So for those of you who are curious, I still actually use Sculpey 3, but I normally mix it with stronger clay like Sculpey Primo and Sculpey so that I can use it for making jewelry. But if you're not using it for making jewelry and instead using it for thicker pieces like beads, Sculpey 3 would be fine. Okay, next. So these are the Primo colors. So let's start with 10. Alright. Teal. A mixing color brought back by popular demand to our inline offering. I guess they offered this back before and it's now here again, available again for ordering. Next is, I love this color by the way, Sage, a calming green color that will add an earthy feel to any project. It's a really light color, very, very calming, very relaxing color. Next is Rose Gold and Metallic. A trendy color infused with a subtle touch of shimmer. And I guess this is the newest one, and it was launched. It's a web exclusive color that was launched last February 11. This is Aqua Metallic. It's a bright aqua color infused with a subtle touch of shimmer. Perfect to use alone or to mix with other favorite Sculpey Primo colors. So they're encouraging you to use it with other Primo colors. And for the last batch, which are the Soufflé colors, we have actually very pastel colors. So it's also another thing that I'm very excited about. So we have French Pink, a pink with gray tones, and it's backed by popular demand. I think I've actually used this before, a long time ago. I was able to get a hold of some of this and I really love the result of it. So I'm glad it's back. Next is Thistle, captivating periwinkle that will add a pop of color to any palette. So it's a pastel, like a pastel violet or lavender color. And finally, Almond Rose, versatile creamy pink and tan neutral that will add a touch of sophistication color to any palette. I really love this because I also do a lot of mixing that this is the color that I'm usually trying to achieve. So I'm glad it's already available as a block. So these are all the new colors that will be launching by March 11, except for this one that launched February. So I hope that you were as excited as I was to see all of these new colors from Sculpey. And I hope that you're also excited for me to have a brand new machine. I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. And if you have any opinion on these colors, please comment down below. Let me know what your favorite is and what you're excited to get a hold of. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!